I showed you a low profile dash cam. Now, let me show you the stealthiest dash cam that I've ever seen. This is the FitCamX. It replaces the plastic behind your rear view mirror, making it look OEM. Thank you FitCamX for sending this. Let's rewind it up a bit. Let me show you what's inside the box and how I installed it. Opening the packaging, we got two boxes, one big, one small. Behind the big one, we have a user manual. The big box, we have the dash cam. This big piece right here is where the dash cam sits, and it replaces the plastic piece behind the rear view mirror. And opening the small box, it contains our wiring harness and a plastic trim removal tool. First, we need to take the plastic off behind the rear view mirror. Hold one side. Then the other side. Open the sunglass holder. There are two Phillips screws that needs to be removed. Then using the plastic trim tool, pull this plastic piece down. Remove the three connectors attached. Make sure to remember where to put it back. Zooming into this black piece, there's a connector to the left, which we need to remove. Then we take the FitCam harness. There's a specific plug that matches the plug that we just took off. Connect that together. Then the end of that plug, we want to use that to plug into that black piece. Now we get the FitCam plastic piece that has the dash cam camera. Peel off the camera cover. Then attach that to the area where we took the plastic piece off. There's a connector that we need to pass through the headliner, which is very easy. And it's very visible on the other side. Reattach the other side of the plastic piece. Take the wire from the FitCam camera and the wire from the harness provided and connect them together. Tuck those in. Replace the plastic piece that we took off with the three plugs and with the two screws inside the sunglass holder. Let's connect it to the app. So you want to put your car in accessory mode. Download the FitCam app, connect to Wi-Fi. There you go. The LHD network. There you go. Let's go back to the FitCamX. Connect camera. Connection successful. And there you go. Then you can see pause, record, snapshot, camera files right here, snapshot, locked, which is, I believe, so it doesn't delete in the loop, and parking. I think parking is the hardwire, which you need to buy the hardwire kit. Camera settings. There you go. So it has a total of 64 gigabytes, which is not bad. I didn't even put any SD card on it. It's built right in. There's two features of this dash cam that's important to note. Number one is a collision sensor. So if it feels a collision while you're driving, it saves that video and keeping it from being deleted while being on the recording loop. Next is the parking mode. The parking mode, you need the hardwire kit, because once the camera detects a collision, it's gonna start recording even when your engine is off, and it's gonna lock that video so it doesn't get deleted as well in the recording loop. Before I show you the footage of the camera, I just want to say that they do make dash cams for the 4Runner as well, but I don't have the plastic piece that goes around the top or behind my rear view mirror. I believe that's the adaptive cruise sensor. I'm not sure. If you like this kind of video, press the like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.